Today we'll talk about how can you disable private account on your app, on your dream app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click in this sign down here, just click on it. You come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just come here to private account here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean private account, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.